Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions after the call, or more importantly, more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So you may wonder, and I would venture to say you have wondered, what separates a top performing freight sales agent from the rest of the pack? Good question. Well, in most cases, it's because they apply a number of successful actions in their daily routine. Here's my list. Again, here's my list of the best actions of top performing freight sales agents. If your goal is to become a member of this group, a highly touted group, then perform as many of these actions as possible. Believe me, when you do that, you will see the success that you are going after and requiring and desiring. Number 16 of top performers and successful freight sales agents is they always deal with the shipping decision maker. Always, always, always deal, speak to, talk to, connect and build relationships with the shipping decision maker. Dealing with people who have little or no buying authority is a waste of time, plain and simple. However, many freight sales agents fall into this trap because it's easier to connect with people other than the decision maker. It's always easy to call the gatekeeper or anybody else that answers a phone other than the decision maker. That may be true. However, in the long run, they end up wasting their time because they don't close the deal or move any freight. So, number 16 is they always deal with the shipping decision maker. Do you have any questions about what I just went over today, or more importantly, because of what I went over today, so you can see the training that I provide, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Yes? Then give me a call. I'm Ted Keys. My number is 626-309-9141. Great talking to you today. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call. Take care. God bless. And goodbye.